here on the 22nd, right? I proved that to you here. The reason why is because we had a huge resistance area. Aggressive buyers were hitting the ask, right? We had positive delta, 280, 0 for 285, right? This is the number that gave it away. 0 for 285, 8.15 for 1k, and then we had 1k for 2k. But specifically, look at this 0 for 285, right? We had a ton of aggressive sellers, right? Positive delta, but we were unable to really break above this level. We only had a tiny wick above this level, and what we can see is the market, broke the previous candle's low, right? This gives us the selling confirmation. So when we go to Thursday's price action, right? What we do again, the market opens here 9:30 Eastern. We didn't tap into this zone until probably 45 to about 50 past 9. So 20 minutes of patience. Important to understand. I think I took a trade here, but didn't manage it well. So I took a break even on a trade. I was up $600, right? So let me just break that down. So again, this is what I'm saying. So I'm saying to traders, right? Here's the level from Wednesday. Now, when we come to this level, we can either hold bearish or we can hold bullish. Whether we take the bearish or the bullish trade ultimately depends on what the order flow tells us. And this is the difference between ICT and order flow, right? You need to know who's in control at your breakers in order to make it valid. So yeah, here was my execution for that day. Again, if I quickly go over the execution, what we had over here is we had price breaking the level. So here was our break. And this was a 10 a.m. Eastern, very wicky candle, not the cleanest break. But what we had is we had a ton of aggressive buyers. We can see the positive delta here. A ton of aggressive buyers inside of the level. So notice how I'm looking at price action inside of the level, and my execution was here as we broke below this level here, right? Not the level, sorry, the break. Initial break, retest. Buyers failed, buyers failed, buyers failed, buyers failed. We break below here. There was my execution. 9 contracts MES, risk just above, stop loss, sorry, just above the zone. Right, and it was a good trade that was up quite a lot of money, but I gave back.